Hi traders, it's Roberto, and this is the update on the trades taken during the Asian session. First is the New Zealand dollar. There's a pullback now. This dollar is still strong, but we do have divergence on New Zealand dollar. So if it goes below the main pivot point, which is 82.30, then I will exit the trade. And that's right here at 82.22 area. Other trades is Euro New Zealand dollar, looking for retracement to find resistance up at these levels before the main pivot point and then sell. And the other one is Pound New Zealand dollar, starting to find support. There's the resistance up at 38% retracement level. Let me just make that a little bit thicker so you can see this. 38% retracement level is almost on top of the main pivot point. That would be an excellent place to sell if it manages to get up that level. If it doesn't, then we just keep this trade. If it goes up there, then I will enter, place another sell order up at these levels. And I think there was another trade. Okay, here's Euro dollar. I added this to the sell because price is still below the main pivot point coming into the Singapore session, below the main pivot point, below the 21 moving average line. So this is also a sell. I'm not taking the trade because I already have 3 positions and I don't want to add. But if you don't have these 3 positions open and you want to take a trade, Euro dollar still looks like it's going to retest the lows again, which is down here at 128.50. So if you take a trade now, that's about a 25 pip run. However, if it manages to break above the main pivot point before the London session, then we may see a deeper correction on this pair. Okay, so again, we have Pound New Zealand dollar. It should sell off. We had over 182 pips on Wednesday, and coming into Thursday, the market should sell off at least 100 pips. Same thing with Euro New Zealand dollar. Went down substantially, about 174 pips. After it did retrace during the New York session, or rather, I believe this is New York session, and now we're coming into Tokyo, Singapore, and the market should print lower. Technically, they all look, there's a lot of clarity in these trades, Pound New Zealand and Euro New Zealand dollar. With the exception of New Zealand dollar, even though it has broken a trend line, we're still in a downtrend, but there is divergence. It's a lot of mixed feelings about staying in this trade, and I'll probably just capture, if it does go up higher, I'll just get out of the trade, wait for the market to retrace to see if these levels are indeed a good support. And how can you tell? Well, if it goes back down and then rejects these levels down here, then we know that's a clear support. So if it comes back and retraces and this level of support is held, then we know that yes, the market doesn't want to print any lower. We don't have lower lows anymore. We have higher highs coming into today. So technically it should go back up. But if it manages to break the swing low down here, then we're going to be seeing further downtrend on this pair. Unlikely though, looking at this chart on the 1 hour. Okay, so that's it. See everyone in the trade room tomorrow. Have a good trading day, what's left of it, just tomorrow and Friday. And thanks for watching this video. Tomorrow we will be open at 8 a.m. Eastern, and it will be a short session because we're just looking to see the trades that we've taken now, and should be exiting before the New York session. Okay, see everyone tomorrow.